Hey Excellians! If you accidentally press delete on a selected Excel file, open Recycle Bin on your desktop, search and locate the deleted file, right-click on it, and select Restore to get it back in the original folder. If Excel crashed or you closed a new file without saving it, Excel likely kept a temporary copy. Open Excel and go to the File tab. Click on Open and then select Recent. Scroll to the bottom and click the Recover Unsaved Workbooks button. Select your file from the list and click Open, then immediately save as. And if you saved over an Excel file by mistake or want an earlier version of a file you were working on, go to File to Info. Under Manage Workbook, you may see a list of auto-saved versions labeled with the time. Click on a version to open and restore it. If you have file history enabled on your computer, Windows automatically backs up versions of your folders. Right-click the folder where the file used to be, select Restore Previous Versions, pick a date from before the deletion, and click Open to find and copy your file. Also, if your file was saved to the cloud, OneDrive for example, recovery is much more reliable. Right-click the file in your OneDrive folder or on the web and select Version History. You can view and restore versions from days or weeks ago. If you deleted it even from OneDrive, check the Recycle Bin at onedrive.com. Files stay there for 30 days. But if the Excel file was deleted permanently by using Shift-Delete or deleted from the Recycle Bin, then install a third-party app like Recover, navigate to the target folder, select the deleted file shown in the list, and recover it. Now to make sure this doesn't happen again, ensure Auto Recover is set to a short interval. Go to File to Options, then Save. Check Save Auto Recover information every X minutes and set it to 5 minutes or less. Ensure Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving is checked. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you with the next tutorial.